Welcome back to my channel. This is Kay from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox 4-in-1 knife and scissor sharpener. It cost me around $5. You can see the method to sharpening the knife and scissor in the box. That's all inside the box. Okay, let's try this knife sharpener. First, I'm going to use this dull knife, then sharpening the knife to see the difference. To sharpen the knife, you need to use 3 different grit. The first one is coarse grit. The second one is fine grit. The last one is exact grinding. I can already see the difference, but I think I need to sharpening more. The other function is to sharpening the scissor. To sharpening the scissor, you need to put the scissor blades into the slot, then pull it backward for a couple times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with this knife and scissor sharpener. It functions properly and helped me a lot with sharpening. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.